Welcome to 14525 Blackfoot in Olathe's Havencroft neighborhood, just blocks from Olathe's Black Bob Elementary School as well as Frontier Trail for your middle school. This home is in Olathe South boundaries and again just blocks from a local park with trails. We look forward to showing you this 4-bedroom side-to-side split home ready with updates of stainless steel appliances, granite kitchen, formal dining, as well as an eat-in kitchen. There's a brand new back patio poured with a basketball goal and a great size yard fenced just for all of the needs that you're looking for. This home is ready for your personal touches and you'll really enjoy all the space with the 4 bedrooms, and the 4th is in the loft, which is a great opportunity, as well as a spacious family room on the lower level, including a fireplace. Come on inside.